Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to Mavenza to TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Mpemi Home Defender 0. I'm joined by Boy.
Hey Steve, how's it?
I'm not, remember?
I'm not, man. I'm not happy, Steve.
Very happy.
Very happy.
Yes.
But this step again to Winya fail. Wait sometimes next Steve. But to abasa tlalwanyiselo ba batlo senya. Yeah. What people don't understand, they seek to destroy.
Yes.
Yeah. So Steve, arshebeng whether young,
Yeah.
How sick are you, Steve?
Yeah.
Otswa go le ngo tshela petrol.
Yeah.
O reke di drinks.
Yeah.
O reke ticket.
Yeah.
O sa dlali team yao.
Yeah.
O tlo menya. And Steve, yes, ba rata bolo, but there's a certain limit, Steve. Wa bona Steve. I made myself a promise ke ntse ke hola. Car I will never, Steve. I'd rather come to the studio ke tlo sheba games at team tse. But I will never waste my money. Everything petrol time kaya maybe ko hungwa ke bolele ka mabitso
FNP.
no a ke itse king
Orlando Stadium.
ko the best pitch the best pitch yeah no ho sa dlale nna la ba re ke rata bolo but no I can't go there Steve.
You never.
No I can't. Yeah Mamelodi Sundowns we can sue
Yes.
Anga ya da ho sa dlale Sundowns ba kan sue go Sundowns ga shlole ke tsena go tlorkop
Vela ke le bone kada.
you can't Steve. You can't.
Yeah.
Right into re batla. Sharp coming to the game, Steve. I'm happy that the players totally rotation football can to attending re understand. Cardoso must keep on doing ntwa.
Yeah.
He's very good, and then he explained during the week the boys are tired.
Yeah.
It's true they are tired, but wamba se understand because of babona Steve. How na le mosadi?
Yes.
You must focus mo mosadi wa hao fela.
Yeah.
How kanya kanyatsi ka mo ntlong ka mo ho shota. Wa ibona? No. Because why? Langalo munyana akere le ratata ba tsa rona lo. Wa ibona? So runa Steve Sundowns, you understand what we want. And ba go re ba lapile. But we have the best team, the best squad
In South Africa.
Rarotator, we still give 100%.
Yes.
Yeah, it cannot be 100 because of I think ba nyalani sharp. Yeah, but we believe in them. They gave us what we wanted.
Yeah.
Hence we can come more gaming pula in.
Yeah.
Arnata ba flu Steve. And then we believe more management thing. I always say it every interview I say we believe, and the supporters must believe in the management of Sundowns. If I believe more I don't believe the director of Sundowns never at least this technical team.
Yes.
No, never see at least.
Yeah, ne.
But who are we to judge? And if you can look, Steve,
Yeah.
90% but whoever judge, it's not Mamelodi Sundowns fans.
Babalanga Flemingbeck.
It's not Mamelodi Sundowns fans.
Yeah.
These boys are not playing shushan and piano.
Yeah.
I understand why Babu are so.
Yeah.
Steve. How na le dilo tse ding tse sharp Steve.
Yeah.
People tsentse ba nyanye mo wena ba lene from wena
Yeah.
wa ibona Steve.
Yeah.
So I understand the team tse ding di batlo lena from Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Because ba tla ba kwata ba Sundowns wa ya dlala pila ya etsang a ke re ba sentse chelete ya bone energy ya bone
Yeah.
ba tlo menya mo
Go sa spa.
a uspani Steve. So I must say Steve, focus monto wena we batla.
Yeah.
Stop focusing on the agenda tsa batho ba bang.
Yes.
Rona re
Yes.
happy, e re feel 2-0. Man of the match is the whole team, but never underestimate Mkhulis, Pitso. No, man, Steve, it's something else. Yeah. No, cause Aramona, cause thumbs up to you, but Mkhulis.
Yeah.
What Mkhulis utiba role ya Zwani in a way.
Yeah.
Why Tiba? And then Kerata the supporters ta Sundowns, the players ta Sundowns.
Yeah.
They know they never outshine their master, the players. Later now we're not outshining our master.
Yeah.
That's why every game, every goal, we give thanks to Temba.
Zwane.
Themba una le sebaka le mo Sundowns Steve. Mshishi.
Yeah.
Na le sebaka.
Yeah.
Wa bona
Yeah.
o igrumile to Sundowns e dlale so. Themba una le a huge role in it.
Yeah.
That is why Mamelodi Sundowns players each and every game they thank Mshish.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
still our captain today.
Yeah.
Yeah, are change.
Lekwa ka
Yeah,
teng.
so nna ke happy a ke tlo roha di coach tse ding a ke tlo etsang, it's not sportsmanship. And then le rona ba re ruhile bo Tito. No. Yeah, no, it's ba bua nnete wa bo. Ba bua nnete, but it's not all Mamelodi Sundowns fans. Remember, environment is everything.
Yes.
Yeah, go tswang e tlo bontsha hore o tswa kae.
Yeah.
We're not ruhile player.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a few, and then on behalf of Mamelodi Sundowns fans and Mamelodi Sundowns team, I apologize to Orlando Pirates for Baruhe player. Yeah, I apologize. As young as I am, I apologize on behalf of Mamelodi Sundowns fans.
Yeah.
I apologize. No, I apologize. Yeah. Oh, I'm the man of the match. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I lebo was Tibo ke boletse ke feditse anga feta mo guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
No,
you, boy.
guys.
Thank you, boy. Yeah, oh my God.